So why isn't the TradeShip working in TBH taskbar hero? If you click on SteamTradeShip, you will get this message: warning, due to server issues, the TradeShip is temporarily closed. We apologize for any inconvenience. So this happened because when the game launched, there were many people or bots farming out items and then selling them on the Steam market for a few cents. So they have still not figured out a way how to deal with the bots. If you go on Steam charts, you will see that currently about 500,000 people are playing this game, or people, quote unquote. So they've currently still disabled the Steam TradeShip, and we don't know when it's going to be enabled back. When the game first launched, I was able to access it for a little bit, and then for the last maybe 2 weeks, I have not been able to get on the Steam TradeShip. So yeah, I hope this video answers your question. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.